Hello everyone. Today I like to share my thoughts on Islander watch SL66. Yes, I bought this watch and I got it like a week ago. Then it's a 42 millimeter, and then it's a diver watch, pretty thick and solid and link. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. And then I believe you will hear the pop. Yeah, it's nice and smooth. Okay, the issue here is my wrist is barely 7-inch, so when I wear it, it's heavy. So yeah, the dial is beautiful, it's solid, and then sapphire crystal is very clear, and then the bezel, the click is nice, and the power reserve is good. Everything is nice, just that I like the size too, because I have big one, Huawei GT2. So this is 46 or something. Yeah, but there's a weight difference, obviously, right? This is a smartwatch and this is a diver watch, automatic. Yeah, I didn't know that the weight will be substantial. It's very beautiful. I want to keep it. I contacted the Islander watch, but too bad they don't take it back. So I think I might end up selling it back. Yeah, beautiful dial. Alright, maybe if 39 millimeter, I think if they sell 39 millimeters, I think that will be maybe lighter. I don't know. If you have a wrist, my wrist is barely 7-inch, so if you have the small wrist, I'm not even consider this is small or big. Yeah, watch out for the weight. You can see it's built like a tank. It's a solid build, really solid. Everything is nice except the weight. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.